This is Focusticks and I'm back with another video. So in this video we are going to talk about another amazing software, that is Intel Extreme Utility. So basically this software you guys can use if you're facing issues with stuttering or lag, getting high CPU, or the CPU got high and there will be a high heat usage. uh, so you can use this software at that time and that will gonna help you out a lot. So let me just give you a quick brief about this software. So this is actually the stress test. So whenever we are going to do some of the tweaks or changes on the software, then we can use this stress test and test if everything looks good. So it will notify us if anything goes bad, or it will just gonna restart the computer by itself and mix all the settings to the default state. So we can go to the all controls in the advanced tuning. We have to click I agree. Then we have various options here, right? So if I talk about what changes you have to do is what you can do, you can go to all controls that we have here and the core voltage offset, right? So you can just try to use this option, just try to click on this one and we can just scroll down and you can set any value. First of all, you can start it with an increment of 10 or 5. I have already done it before, so I'm gonna go straight away to 160, right? And other thing, the turbo boost sharp power max. So by default that is it's 78 watt for me, but you guys have to make sure that it should be under, it should not be less than 45 and should not be more than 78. So I'm gonna keep it to 50. So I was playing CSGO before and I feel some kind of a stuttering due to the high spikes in CPU, but then I'm just gonna apply it straight away right now. And then yeah, we can run a stress test. I'm gonna run it for 5 minutes. So if everything looks good, it will not going to reboot the PC, and it will, if somehow if any thermals are going high, it will gonna notify you here in the logs. So yeah, I mean, this is one of the amazing software I have, and basically for the Intel users, just give it a try and let me know about the thing in the case comments if everything looks good for you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a very good day.